Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about the HU11 Value Undercabinet. Available in 5 different lengths and 2 finishes, this undercab fixture comes packed with features. Let's talk about easy installations all day, every day. The HU11 comes equipped with 2 pre-mounted fasteners on the end caps to enable easy installation to any cabinet. You don't have to worry about fiddling with screws while trying to align the undercabinet fixture to the cabinet properly for an install. For direct wire installations, the HU11 features multiple knockouts that are easily removed with a flathead screwdriver. It also features a wire clamp that fits Romex and other 14 to 18 gauge wiring to secure the wires in place. Inside the wiring cabinet, the HU11 has connectors to complete the direct wire installations. On the outside, the HU11 features 2 headers for corded linkable installations. Once you get the first HU11 wired in place, then it's easy cording from there, folks. The HU11 features seleCCTable color tuning. Homeowners have their choice of 3 different flavors to set the mood in their homes. The HU11 is installed with the light source facing the backsplash so that to maximize task lighting on the countertop and backsplash area in a kitchen and eliminate overspill onto the floors. The angled diffuser lens optic reduces glare even on the shiniest of granite countertops. For more information on the HU11 and other great products that Halo has to offer, visit halolighting.com.